Hey everyone, so I'm at the world famous cheese rolling hill, Cooper's Hill. I'm at the bottom at the moment, so it's actually like a 45-degree incline. I'm just walking up the sort of the bit here that's not very steep. But if I look, you can see there's a bit of a slope on the car park, which is tiny. So if you're coming up here 2025 on Monday, you need to think, because you won't be able to park there. But at the moment it's very quiet. So there's the hill. So let's have a think of the history. So there was a Roman fort up here at one point, and it's had about 600 years of pagan rituals. So we're talking about sacrifices, maypole dancing, all sorts. And then for the last few hundred years we've had cheese rolling every single May bank holiday. So at the end of the May, people will line either side. So on Monday that's where they'll be, and then reckless people who used to just live in the village will throw themselves down chasing a double Gloucester cheese. But now it's become this international event. It's going to have people from all over, so it's going to be absolutely rammed. The whole of this area is going to be with thousands of people, so it's going to be an amazing event. So very exciting for 2025. So let's hope that everyone who takes part comes off with only minor injuries. Apparently a third of all the people that come and do this do get injured, and the local rugby team will be down here trying to catch people. And there are some houses down the bottom which you hopefully don't make it to. My teacher used to live in there from my village when I went to school. But there you go, so that is the world famous Cooper's Hill cheese rolling hill.